Hello and welcome to the Daily Facts video. These are new videos which are going to be posted every day, giving you little fun facts and information on gardening items. So I hope you enjoy them and make sure that you come back every day to see each day's daily fact. They'll be posted on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with when they're posted, or also check back on my website as they will be posted daily on there. And my website is www.theyorkshiregardener.com. Today's daily fun fact is about plants. Today's fact is that they do really respond to music and to sound. I know it's been a myth in the past, but it has been proven that the plants can respond to music, especially rock music. So if you're wanting your plants to grow fast, put some rock music on and let them listen to it in the greenhouse, as it will help them grow and they will respond to it. So that has been today's daily fun fact. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's fun fact of the day.